Hey mamitas, so yes, I am like whispering kind of, because if you watch my last video you'll know that I had lost my voice and I'm just now getting it back, so I'm not trying to OD. But here is another video. So I already cut the lace off of this wig, so I'm just going in and just snipping off like some extra lace around the edge. And keep watching this video. This lace matches her complexion, but she did receive a little tan, so I did go back and add like a darker shade to Grace's lace. And by the way, Grace is my friend, that's why I just said Grace, but whatever. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just going and I'm lifting up the lace because I'm going to prepare her scalp with some of EricaJ scalp protectant, and then I'm going to go in with the EricaJ glue and use that. So I am using EricaJ products today, and I actually really do like her products. Like, it definitely melts the lace down, it does what it needs to do, and it holds. I applied 3 layers of glue. Sometimes I would use this glue and apply 4 layers, but I believe I only applied 3 layers to Grace's scalp because I didn't want to apply too much and I just wanted everything to blend in seamlessly. this is one of the old wax sticks I used to use, but I am recently came out with my own wax sticks that I will be providing a video for. Probably in the next couple of videos you'll see that I'm using a different type of wax stick, you know, because I came out with my own product and I just love it. But you definitely want to use a product that you love and you feel like works best for you, and use the wax stick to help slick down the hair. This is how you get that flat, seamless look. Now for her baby hair, she did want them a little bit dramatic, so you know, they love the dramatic baby hair, so that's what I'm gonna give them. You know, I think it was very cute. It looked real natural on her, like it was just her own natural hair and scalp. So this is how I got my dramatic baby hairs. done baby hair a million times till I feel like it's perfect. Like I always say, I am a perfectionist. Like, to you it will be perfect, but to me it will be a mess. If it's not perfect to me, you're not walking out. You're not getting out my chair. Like, I need it to look extremely great. I need every strand, every hair to look good. You know, I always go back, even after my video, I always go back and, you know, make sure that the pieces are good and it's laid and everything else. This lace is laid and slayed, honey. Like, laid and slayed. But I really do hope y'all like this video of my lace wig install using EricaJ's glue, lace glue. Like, you know, yeah, I love it. Like, she loved it. Like, we just always slay it. Every time y'all see her on my channel, y'all know we just provide that fire. But definitely like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I hope you guys can hear me. The fact that I have to whisper is just like really blowing my mind. But I was protesting, so y'all know how that go. Fighting for my black people, fighting for our rights. So, you know, I lost my voice, and it's okay though.